Mama.
Please walk this.
Oh, yeah. Ah, Mama. Okay. Guys, see. Welcome back.
Welcome back, Doublekay.
Doublekay everywhere.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? Why?
Yes, baby. I will talk. Guys, this is from an anonymous mama. One person.
Listen.
See you now in a shock.
I know. Oh.
Unbox now.
Congratulations.
Sorry, no this, I forget.
Unbox it. Start with one. Unbox.
It's still
I'm in awe.
I'm still in shock. Are we dreaming?
Mama, what did we do?
Mark cooking this economy.
Hey, like.
Wow. Mama, God bless
Kids,
you.
God bless you, Mama.
Please, quickly, I want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for celebrating good friendship. Thank you for celebrating my star girls. Yeah, thank you so much. Wherever this has come from, it will be replaced a millionfold in Jesus' name.